I am giving this about a 40% chance, maybe 45% chance, under 50 of actually flying, because it is 94 inches long wingspan, and it has four 50mm fans, and I can't tell by doing thrust run-ups whether or not the thing is providing stable thrust, meaning like you're not going to yaw one way or the other, like differential. And it's so gigantic that throwing this thing, I just don't understand how it's going to work. But I'm impatient, and I don't want to wait until the spring to attempt this with landing gear. So I figure, might as well just give it a shot. We have good conditions right now. It's kind of overcast, and so I don't need sunglasses. But it is cold. There's no wind, so I can throw it any direction I want. And Tyler's going to watch this crunch or fly. We don't know. We think there's a better chance of a crunch, though. So I'm warming my hands up. I'm about to walk out to my little divot out there where I can just stand and throw it. I'm going to throw it probably in that direction and pray that this does not crash. So I have a brand new hinged system here. The fans are providing about 0.8 to 1 thrust to weight. So that's enough to fly a flying wing because it's super efficient and it's floaty, but it's not really good for hand launching. So I'm going to get this done quick, all right, bud? Stay over there. I don't want it coming towards you. All right, let's give this shit a... Oh, sorry. I'm nervous about this. All right, here we go. Let's rock and roll here. I'm not giving this a good chance. All right, ready? Oh, whoops, I just hit my helmet. Okay. All right, ready? Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. 94 inches. Is this the world record for the largest 3D printed airplane ever to be hand launched? I believe so. And it needs rudders, so I need duckerons. This thing is a dream. It's flying great. No! Oh my God. Why did I do that? Oh, that was so stupid. It was flying perfect. It was nose heavy. So I didn't realize until I got too low airspeed to realize it. It flew freaking great, but now it's destroyed. I definitely am gonna do another one, guys, when it gets warmer. But I have a lot of cleanup on aisle 3 to do here. So I am going to stop this video here. That was a huge success, but a huge stupid move on my part to let it get so close to the ground like an idiot, because it was flying great. It was a little nose heavy. I didn't realize until I ran out of up elevator at the end there. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna go salvage what I can here, and that was cool.